Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. In this video, we're going to learn how to allow substitute customer or vendor posting groups on documents. So basically, you can let people choose a different customer or vendor posting group than the default when they're working with sales or purchase documents and journals. So for that, it will be sales and receivable setup, or it can be purchase and payable setup. It depends on customer or vendor. So if you go to the Tell Me option and select Sales and Receivable Setup. So in Sales and Receivable Setup, you can see there must be allow multiple posting groups. So if you check it, then you can allow other people in sales, obviously sales about customers, and wherever you want to change the posting group, you can change the posting groups as well. We're going to learn about the sales and receivable setups in further videos. I'm going to run the videos later on where we can only go through setups and the basics as well. Same like customers, so we can allow multiple posting groups for vendor as well. So if you go to Tell Me option and put that purchase and payable setup, if you go there, you will see it will show you allow posting group here as well. Here you go. If you check that, then that means you're allowing people for substitute vendor posting group or customer posting group as well. So that means on the customer posting group or vendor posting group pages, you can specify the posting groups to allow as substitute by choosing substitute. So substitute posting groups can replace the default customer or vendor posting group specified for the customer or vendor. I mean, after you set this up, you can choose from allowed substitute posting groups and change the customer or vendor posting group when posting sales or purchase document in journals or journal. Sorry. So we're going to learn about sales and purchase, obviously, and receivable setups later on in the videos. So thanks for watching our video.